Hi there, and welcome back. In this section of the course, we want to start looking at the different workflows that we can use to create videos. So the first one we're going to try out is the YouTube explainer video. And I love the way it's laid out because it allows you to choose the duration of your video. Do you want it to be a 2-minute video, a 10-minute video, a 15-minute video? I'm not going to do a 15-minute video right now. I'm only going to do a 2-minute video for time's sake. Then it's asking me for a topic. Okay, I've pre-populated some things, so I'm going to paste my instructions here, and I suggest you do that, and I'll show you how I generated that piece of content. And then I'm going to cut that off there and put it here as the topic. So this is the topic I want to talk about. I want to talk about overcoming financial planning challenges, and I've pre-created a script using ChatGPT, and I'll show you how to do that as well and why I did that. I want classical music here for this particular video, and I want to use my voice. So if I click on any in this settings, then it's going to give me the voice that I cloned already. And I showed you how to put your voice as a clone. So I'm going to click my voice there. Do I want subtitles? Yes, I do. And I suggest that you use subtitles as well, because some people like reading along with you as they watch the video. If it's going to have a watermark, well, it might as well have my name on it, but it doesn't have a watermark. I don't know why that's there in terms of watermark, but I know why it's there. What it is that if you're not using the paid version, then it's going to have watermarks. Okay, so I want to use the iStock as normal. Now create the video. It's going to ask me, okay, it's showing me what I've instructed it to do, and then it's going to start generating the video. Now, this is where it gets interesting. It's going to think and analyze the instructions I have given, and then begin to interpret it to deliver the best possible results. And it's, first of all, it's changed the name of the video to Nailing Financial Projections, Overcoming Challenges. Oh, that's better than what I've written. So I like that. It's going to show me that. Then it's going to think through what it's doing. And then when it finishes in phases, actually. So this is the first phase. It's asking me, what kind of audience are you going for? Are you going for startups, entrepreneurs, or business owners? I want to go for entrepreneurs on this one. What look and feel do I want? Well, I want a professional feel, actually, for this one. No, let me change my mind. I want to be inspired. I want an inspiring feel to it and look to it. And I'm going to post it on my YouTube channel. I could actually also post it on Facebook or LinkedIn because they are the same video sizes. Okay, let me then say continue. So this is where it can take a little bit longer to process sometimes. If it's a longer video, you can expect it to take a little bit longer to process. But if it's a short video, like a 2-minute video, I would think that we'll probably have this done in about 2 or 3 minutes. But I'm not going to allow you to be looking at the screen whilst it's rendering or populating. So what I'm going to do is to come back when it's done. But one thing for sure is that once it gets to, now it's about 5%, right? Once it gets to about 20%, then it gets a lot faster to finish. So I'll come back when it's done. Okay, great. It's done. And this is what it sounds like. But before I do that, I want to show you something. If you wanted to edit, there are a few things you could edit. You could edit the images or the videos itself by clicking here. You click on the video you want to edit. Let's say you want to edit that. You put in the kind of image of videos you want. So let me put in, for example, let's say business plan. Yeah. And you return, then it goes and finds the different images or videos that it can use. Okay, it's found them already. You click on replace. You go back up and take a look. It's already stuck it up there, and you apply the change. That's how you edit the videos. If you want to edit the script, I'm going to show you how you could do that. Again, you go to edit, you go to the script, and then you say, okay, ever wondered how to make your financial projections more credible and grounded? Okay, I'm going to say this. Okay, I'm going to just say, listen to Bumi talk on. Okay, that's it. So it's ready. Let's put that question mark over here and put a full stop on the other side of my name, and boom, we're done. You apply. Now, the difference between editing a video and editing the script is that the script always takes longer to edit. I don't know why, but it does. Whatever changes you make to your script is going to take a little bit longer to render. So all you need to do is just be a little bit patient and it'll get it done. And once it's done, we'll watch the video for a few minutes, maybe for a minute or so, and then we'll see what changes we have made and how good those changes have turned out. Ever wondered how to make your financial projections more credible and grounded? Listen to Bumi Talker. Our first strategy is to utilize real data. This means gathering financial insights from your proof of concept MVP or... Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next workflow. See you soon.